If you're in your 20s and you still feel broke, even after working hard, saving a little, and trying to be smart about money, you're not alone. Because the truth is, the system wants you to stay broke. Today, we're breaking that cycle. I'm going to show you the 10 money mistakes almost every 20-something makes, the ones that quietly kill your financial freedom before you even realize it. So grab your coffee or your student loan statement, and let's fix this before it's too late. 10 money mistakes to avoid in your 20s that keep you broke. Mistake number 1, living like you're rich before you are. Instagram made you do it, right? Everyone's flexing, cars, trips, clothes. But here's the twist. Most of them are drowning in debt. That guy with the BMW? He probably can't afford gas for it. Explain lifestyle inflation. Spending more as you earn more. End with urgency. Every dollar you waste flexing in your 20s is a dollar your 30-year-old self will beg you to have back. And speaking of wasting money, mistake number 2, not tracking where your money goes. If I asked you where your last $100 went, could you answer me? Most can't explain how lack of awareness creates invisible leaks. Use a quick stat. The average American spends $1,200 a year just on subscriptions they forgot about. That's Netflix, Spotify, and that gym membership you swore you'd use apps or 3-account system. Because the next mistake is what happens after you finally start saving. Mistake number 3, saving without a goal. Saving is smart, but saving without direction? That's like running a marathon without a finish line. Talk about why setting goals, emergency fund, investing, etc., gives purpose. Fear of stagnation. And some of you think investing is risky, but what's coming next is way riskier. Mistake number 4, avoiding investing. Because you think you're too young. Here's the truth. You'll never have as much power with money as you do right now. Introduce the idea of compounding. Briefly tease upcoming video. Future you is somewhere watching this, screaming, "Buy that index fund." Explain that starting with even $100 a month beats waiting for the perfect time. But wait, some people do invest and still end up broke. Why? Mistake number 5, investing without understanding. Crypto, meme stocks, FOMO. Your friend made $500 overnight, so you jumped in and lost $1,000. Research before risk. Don't chase hype. And when those losses hit, many people turn to this next silent killer. Mistake number 6, carrying credit card debt. If compound interest can make you rich, credit card interest can destroy you. Emphasize emotional weight. That 20% APR, it's not just math, it's financial quicksand. Banks love you because you're their best customer, the one who pays forever. Encourage building credit the smart way. Pay full, automate, never revolve debt. But debt isn't your only problem. The next mistake might be even sneakier. Mistake number 7, ignoring emergency funds. Life doesn't warn you before it breaks your car, your phone, or your job security. Because apparently, emergencies only happen right after payday. Keep 3 to 6 months' expenses in cash. But even with money saved, one mindset can still ruin everything. Mistake number 8, thinking more income will fix everything. You can't out-earn bad habits. If you spend 100% of your paycheck, it doesn't matter whether it's $2,000 or $20,000. Ask any broke influencer, 100,000 followers, $0 savings. Focus on discipline and delayed gratification. And speaking of habits, this next one keeps more people broke than any bad investment. Mistake number 9, not educating yourself about money. Schools won't teach you how money works. They'll teach you the Pythagorean theorem, but not how to file taxes. When's the last time you used a squared plus b squared equals c squared at Walmart? Encourage continuous learning. Books, YouTube, mentors. And even if you do all this right, there's one final mistake that quietly kills your wealth dreams. Mistake number 10. Thinking you have plenty of time. You don't. Time is your biggest investment. And every year you wait, the price doubles. Most people waste their 20s waiting for the right time. By the time they're ready, compounding has already left the station. Start small. Start messy. Just start today. Because 10 years from now, you'll wish you had. So, which one of these mistakes are you guilty of? Be honest. We've all made a few, but the good news? You can change your entire financial future just by avoiding these. And if you want to actually build wealth, not just avoid being broke, then you need to understand one thing: the power of compounding.